Great. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How you all doing? I hope you guys are fine. I hope you guys are doing great. If you are new on this channel, my name is Priscilla. Welcome to Priscilla's Space. Okay, today's video is gonna be my night routine. In fact, I will be preparing stew and pepper soup this night. So, and I would like to take you guys along. But this stew I'm cooking this night is not our normal stew. It's not our usual stew. This one is pak stew. Just put everything together, cover it, allow it to boil and bring it down. This one is just pak curry stew. Even the meat itself, I did not even boil it. I'm just gonna add it like that. I'm just gonna put it inside the tomatoes like that and cover it for all of them to cook together. I don't have that strength of frying anything. I have my turkey and goat meat. This one is goat meat. Goat meat, turkey, goat meat. And then she just cook together. I'll cover it up for them to cook together. I don't have strength and time for frying anything. My soup is getting ready. So na pak soup, pak. Pak soup. Pak soup. Pak soup. turn it again after this. Let me taste it. Yum yum. Just add water, cover on me all day. This my pot is too small, but my stew is ready. Then I'm preparing to make my pepper soup. Just small pepper soup. 3 pieces of fish. So this is my fish. I already put the necessary ingredients. I have my pepper, onion. I like using onion for pepper soup. I know a lot of persons don't like adding onions to their pepper soup, but me, I naturally like onions in all my food. I like putting onions. Then I have pepper soup ingredients. Nothing to grind it here. I'm in my sister's place currently, so she don't have what I will use to grind this thing. So I just add them like that. At least it will still bring out the odor and the rest. Now what will you eat? Great man. What will you eat? What will you take for dinner?
Apple and banana.
Want to eat apple and banana?
Apple and banana.
Apple and banana. You can't eat apple and banana this night.
Apple.
Where's the cover of this pot? Where your auntie keep the cover of this pot?
Eight.
I'm just trying to find a thing.
Eight.
My pepper soup is ready. Oh. Thank you so much, guys. We are done cooking this evening. No easy. Everything just put everything together. So far, food don't enter belly. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Thank you for staying with me. I'm going to see you on my next video. Bye. I'm going to do a house tour. I'm in my sister's place currently. We came to visit. We arrived today, so we came to visit. So she got this house and she has moved in since last year. And we haven't visited anyway. So I'm going to show you the apartment. It's a very, very, very fine apartment. She bought the house. So we're going to do a house tour. Though she hasn't gotten anything yet. She never put anything for the house. No chair, no TV yet. She only has TV in her room, but in the parlor, no TV. So nothing yet. But I'm gonna still do the house tour. Wanna do well. Thank you guys for staying with me. Thank you for sticking with me. I so much appreciate your support, everything. Those of you watching my video, those of you that even skip my ads, all of you, they see everything. Thank you. May God bless you all. And I'll just see you on my next video. Bye bye.